Hey guys, today we are in Golf MK7 with Climatronic system, and I'm going to show you how to enable the heated seat memory. So right now, if you turn on heating and cycle the ignition, I believe that it will not remember the last state. For the passenger for sure, and for the driver I believe it's 10-minute limit. So if I come back in 10 minutes or less, it will still remember the state. But we can make both of those settings to have the memory permanent, not only the 10-minute limit, but but for the memory to be full time. Okay, so we need OBDeleven. Let's connect with the car and I will show you how to code it. Okay, so we are connected to the car. Let's go to the module list and select module 08, which is Climatronic, air condition or heat ventilation system. And once we are logged into this module, we are going to enter adaptation. Let's just give it a few seconds. Okay, adaptation, and on the list we're looking for retention on driver seats heater level, and by default it's active for 10 minutes, so let's set it to active. Saved. And the same for the passenger side. Let's use the search option, retention of the front passenger seat not active, set it to active. Press and hold over here, coding accepted. Okay, let's disconnect from the car, and right now let's check heating on the level 1 and level 1. Now cycle the ignition and memory works. Okay, we can turn it off right now. Okay, that's it. Check the description below this video for more details and give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial. Also check my other videos and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.